Okay, let's move on. So we split the data, then we will make the standard scalar preprocessing. Preprocessing and import standard scalar. We use the standard scalar not just because we will have to process the 3 attributes in the same time. So we use the standard scalar. Okay, so we have fit X-ray. So we have a new X-ray. And then transform your X-ray. Good. So our X-ray STD here, this is our X-ray STD. And if you want to know the extra test STD, we just access no fit again, just transform. Just transform. It no. The test data. Hence, fit again. It just need to transform. Very important, okay? 它只要 transform， 它不用再 fit 了。It's no longer to fit because when it is fit, it will become his 特质交集的 mean and variance. So you don't have to. And now we will do our SVM. So first, from scanner.svm import. First, we use the linear SVC. You see, linear, there is 2. One is SVC for classification. Also, you can use the linear SVR is for regression. SVC here. And the model, we call that SVC linear, SVC. Okay, we have to give some parameters. See, if you give the 0.1, it means it's penalty, right? The penalty is higher, is 一点零是非常高. But here we just use the 0.1. 0.1 means very, we'll just use the 0.5, I think. How? And do. We use the false. And plus weight, just as I mean, we use the balance. It means you will balance the frequency of the data and weight. 资料少的它就变多权重，资料多权重会变得，资料多的会变成权重少，它自动 automatically balance it. And then we fit X-ray, STD 标准化后的哦 and Y-frame. And we print the accuracy of SVM. Training. And that's all. X-ray. STD and Y-frame. So the accuracy is very low, so we wanted to make it higher. Maybe. 要0.1呢？放松。Oh, I think that because为什么 no matter what I choose， 我们回到0.5。No matter what I choose, the result is not higher， 因为你要用 use the age income children 的数量要去估你住在哪里是不准的。好，因为 inner city 有非常有钱的人，也有那个你知道那个无家可归的人也在那边，因为对啊。那住在乡村的人不见得是穷人，很多有钱人住在郊区，所以这个用这3个来量是不准的。但是这3个是 numerator， so we use these 3 attributes to model this case. And yeah, and also we will predict, right? And find the testing. 不是方法的问题啊，是资料的问题。And testing accuracy here, then we will use the test. And of course, why will be the test? OK， 好，没有好到哪里去。好，这个 warning 不用担心 ，warning 它是可以用的。他只跟你讲说它是 array， 他希望它是那个 data frame， 那你可以转。好，这个比较低。那我们也可以用 F1 score。之前我们用 F1 score 的时候呢，是用自己算的，但实际上 actually F1 score have its package 在哪里呢 ？From Escator dot matrix 一个 F1 score。So this F1 score 一个 Escator dot package。好，在这个套件里面。Why we use the F1 score? Because F1 score need to use the real data. We need to compare the real data and predict. Okay. Hence, 我讲完这段我们就记得 hence have to predict first. So we make it as y predict. 因为它需要用预测的分类来做。好 ，y predict 怎么做呢？就是 and predict use that x frame FTD to predict and我们要测的是 testing and we print number of your patients people. Okay, it means y test 不等于 not equal 你的 y predict。那这些数字把它上起来，就是你总共猜错了。64个。那剩下我们在3堂课把它完成，先这样。你确定你的知识到这里？